Morning, dear students. Now we see Standard 6 Science, Unit 7 Computer and Introduction. Nowadays, computers are used in all places. That is used in textile shops, railway stations, banks, ATMs, and in any spaces. It is used even in our local post offices. Now we see about the types of computer. We usually think that computer should be like a big TV and a box attached with it. But computers are available in different shapes. The works which are done with a computer can also be done using a smartphone. There may be differences in their speed, but their operations remain the same. The big computers are shrunk into small smartphones nowadays because of their technological development. Most of us think that smartphones are only to make calls because of its handy look, but it is not so. Now we see about computer. Computer is an electronic device that processes the data and information according to our needs. We can save the data and convert it into information. Computers are used in many ways. Now we see about the invention of computer. Charles Babbage invented the first computer. He born in 1791 and died in 1871. In the beginning of 19th century, Charles Babbage, a professor in mathematics, has designed an analog computer. He is known as father of computer. Augusta Ada Lovelace. He admired as the first programmer as she developed essential command for the mathematical operations. She was the first computer programmer. She was born on 1815 and died in 1852. Let us see about which device we used before the invention of computer. In the early stage, there was no computer. Initially, the people used a tool called abacus for the calculations. Later, they started to using a device called calculator for calculations. Now we see about the first generation computers. In the first generation computers, vacuum tube was used. Computer did not come directly from abacus. The computer that we use today belonged to fifth generation. The first generation computer is used in 1942-1956, and the second generation computer, here the transistors are used. In 1959 to 1965, the second generation computers were used. The third generation computers, here the integrated circuit is used and is used in the 1964 to 1971. Now we see about the fourth generation computer. Here the microprocessor is used in the fourth generation computer. Fourth generation computer is used in 1971. In the fifth generation computer, nowadays we use the fifth generation computer. Here the artificial intelligence is used in the fifth generation computer. Now let us see about the hardware and software. The commands or programs that are used in computer are called software. The software can be divided into two types. One is operating software, the other one is application software. Software that is used to operate the computer is called operating software. For example, Windows, Linux. Application software is a software that is used to run the particular program. For example, painting, playing games in computer. What is hardware? The parts that are available in the computer that helps the software to work as a hardware. Now we see about the input device. Whatever we want to send a computer, whatever we want to send to a computer is sent through a device called input device. Keyboard, graphic pad, web camera, mouse, scanner, joystick, trackball. Are some of the examples for the input devices. The last one is output device. The data or information that has been sent to the computer or displayed out or reproduced through some devices. These are called output devices. Web camera, webcam, speakers, monitor, printer, headphone, microphone. These are the example for the output device. Thank you, students.